Good morning folks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it's Sunday the 19th of September 2021 and I'm just on the outskirts of Leeds. I'm at Squires, which is in the rough area of Newthorpe, Sherwood and Elmet area, and as we all know, it's a well-known bikers cafe and bikers venue. So what I've done today, I'm coming in my car like I said, and the plan today is I'm going to do some bike photography. So I'm just going to take some photographs of bikes as they're arriving and leaving Squires and put a little video together which is going to follow this commentary. So if you've attended Squires today, Sunday the 19th of September, sort of around lunchtime onwards for a couple of hours, there's a high likelihood that you're going to be on this video. And if after watching this video you see a picture of yourself and you fancy a copy of the image that I've captured, well then please leave a comment down below and just let me know what the time frame is that you were on the video, what your bike is, your make and model, that type of thing. And I'm more than happy to send you a high resolution digital file via email, which you can then use either for your socials or if you wish you can even have a print done of it. It's no problem at all. You know, I've no issues with that. All I would ask is, I'm just asking if anybody would like anything like that doing, if they could make a small contribution towards this channel, maybe £3, which is the approximate cost of, let's say, a mug of coffee somewhere, a decent place. That will just help me to cover some of my costs and help to support my YouTube channel and keep it going, and enables me to continue doing my ride outs, which obviously leads towards me putting my videos out every Friday. But there's no obligation for you to do that. If you're just happy just to see yourself on this video, then that's absolutely fine. So so that's it basically. Enjoy the video and leave a comment down below. Let me know if, what you think of my photos. That'd be helpful. And likewise, even if you're not on the video but you would like to support my YouTube channel in some way, make a small donation, that's absolutely fine. Maybe a couple of quid or a pound or whatever. Everything helps, and it will all help towards keeping me on the road. So I'll put my PayPal details rather on the screen now, and they'll also be in the description down below. No obligation to do so, but if you do, I'll be forever grateful for you if you send me a donation of some sort just to support the channel. So take care everybody, get out on your bikes, have some fun, and I'll catch up with you on the next video release date, which will be this coming Friday. Alright, take care, bye bye. Don't give up on me, yeah.